In this video, I will show you how to cut beautiful balloon sleeve. Now the length of the sleeve is, the complete length is 16 inches. For the balloon side, I will use 11 inches. I folded my fabric into 4. I'm cutting the two sleeves together. Now the first length I'll be working with will be 10 inches. Okay, 10 inches. And if I add extra 1 inch to make it 11 inches. This is 11 inches. Now we connect the lines. Then from this point, this is a balloon sleeve. What I need is just to cover out the down part, that is the armhole. But make sure all the edges are aligned. Okay. I just have to remove 4 inches here. What I have here is this 11 3/4 unfold. Okay, because it's a balloon, I don't need to measure this. This is 11 3/4. So if I divide it into 2 to give me 5.9. From this point, I will mark half of this. Then what I have here is 4 inches. I'll just have to divide it into 2, making it 2 inches. Then from here, I have to curve it. You can use your curved ruler, or you can use a freehand as well to sketch it. From here, it's coming up, then to this point. Okay, we curve it down from the 2 inches, then we slant it to this point. So I'll be cutting it out. This is for the upper side. Now for the lower side, we'll be cutting the right measurement. Okay. Now I've already cut out 11 inches. The full length of the sleeve is 16 inches. 16 minus 11 will give me 5 inches. Okay. Then I'll add extra 1 inch, making it 6 inches. So I already have 6 inches here. And fold it into 4 as well. Cut out both the down parts, everything together. Okay, so we already have 6 inches here. Okay, now the round sleeve at this point, this is where the straight side will be. Okay, at this place is 9.5 inches. 9.5 divided into 2 is 4 3/4. This is 4 3/4 here, and I'll add extra 2 inches to it. Just wanted to have allowance in case I'll still reduce it. So altogether, I'm having 6 3/4. This side, even I have enough fabric, it's supposed to be folded into 2 like so. Supposed to fold it, but because the material is not much, I'm trying to manage it. So I will join it at this down part. Okay, I will join it, then stitch. Okay, I want it longer, so I'll go ahead and cut it out. Okay, you can see I will join it, so I will cut another 2 pieces here. If you want, you can use lining and turn it. Okay, or you can as well cut the same fabric. So this is how it will be. This one, I'll have to open it up. I'll open it up like so. Then I'll make a notch at the shoulder line. Okay, so you can see how it looks. Now this, I will gather this. You see how it looks? Just have to gather it to this. Then I'll use another one to top stitch on it, sew the down, and then top stitch. Done with the cutting. So for the sewing, just go ahead and make a gather, make a beautiful plinth, make a plinth at the down part, okay, just to make it to rhyme with this. That is all we need. Have to make a plinth to rhyme with this. Just have to sew it, join it together. Remember to sew right side facing each other, right side facing each other, okay. After joining, then turn it to the right side. This is the right side now. After joining, I'll now take this right side facing each other, okay. If you want, you can first join it here, close up this edge. That will be more simpler. Just go ahead, join these down parts, okay, close up the two edges, then turn it to the right side. If you want, you can first do this, then by the time we join this and close up, what you do is top stitching on this. That is all, okay. I'll go now to my sewing machine and gather it and top stitch and show you the next thing to do. If you see, after sewing, it's just to close up and fix it to your dress. It looks very beautiful. Now this is the sleeve. I printed the balloon side to the down side, you can see, and I went ahead to top stitch it. So I'll turn it to the right side. By the time I turn it to the right side, this is how it looks. You can see how the sleeve looks. After which, just go ahead and attach it to your dress. By the time you attach it, it will be falling off. So by the time we attach it to the dress, this is how it will look. You can see. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends. Bye until I see my next video.